Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create custom loading alert dialog in Android Studio. So here you can see that we will create a button, and when your user will click on the button you will see this type of progress alert dialog inside your Android app. So guys, before start, please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. So let's start. So guys, first of all, here you can see that we have created a simple Android Studio project. First of all, we will create our layout of our progress dialog. To create the layout, inside the resource folder you have to right click on layout and new layout resource file, and I'm going to name this dialog underscore layout. Press OK button and click on the design button, and next we have to search for here progress bar. Drag this progress bar and drop this inside our activity, and constrain it horizontally in parent, constrain it to the top, and margin top would be 16 dp. Next we have to drag and drop a text view here and constrain it horizontally and constrain it to the bottom of our progress dialog. Click on the split button, and here we have to change the text loading, and text size should be 18 sp. We have to give padding of 50 dp, and the height of our progress dialog would be wrap content. That's it guys, we have designed our loading dialog, but its margin top would be 16 dp, not 36 dp. That's it. Now we will close this file. Next we have to create a separate Java class for our dialog, so you can use this code to your multiple activities. So right click on your package name, new Java class, and here we have to, I'm going to name this loading dialog. Press enter button, and we have to create a constructor. To create the constructor, I will type here loading dialog. Inside this I have to type activity my activity is equal to my activity. So ignore this error because we don't have created the object, so we have to create our object private activity space activity semicolon, and next we have to create the second object like alert dialog space dialog. That's it. Put semicolon at the end. We have create our two objects and one constructor. Next we have to create a function which will show our progress dialog to our user. So I'm going to name this start loading dialog, and we will type here alert dialog dot builder space builder is equal to new alert dialog dot builder, and we will pass our activity inside this class. Next we will type here layout inflator space inflator is equal to activity dot get layout inflator semicolon, and next we will type here build dot set cancelable is equal to true. What this line will do, when your progress dialog will appear to your user, if your user will click outside to any side of your activity, your dialog will disappear. So if you will set its value to false, your progress dialog will never disappear. User will click any point of your screen. And last but not the least, we have to type here dialog is equal to builder dot create semicolon, and finally we have to type here dialog dot show semicolon. Our code have been completed. This code will show our dialog to the user, and next we will create a function, but we will not use this function in this video, but you can use this function to cancel your dialog. So I'm going to name this close loading dialog, and inside this function we will just type dialog dot semicolon. Our Java class code have been completed. Close this file, and next open activity underscore main. Here you can see that I have create a button, and we have give btn alert id to our button. Open the main activity. Here we have to declare and initialize our button. So type here button btn alert semicolon, and inside the onCreate method we have to type here btn alert is equal to find view by id r dot id dot btn alert, and next we have to type here btn alert dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener. So we have set an on click listener on our button, and we have to do one more thing. We have to type here loading dialog is equal to space loading dialog. We just have to create the object of our class that we have created. So we will type here new loading dialog, and inside this we will pass our context, I mean main activity dot this. Put semicolon at the end, and finally we have to type here loading dialog dot show dot start loading dialog. That's it guys, our code have been completed. Now let me run the app so I can show you the output. Guys, our app have been run, but we have missed one thing, and that is we have to type here builder dot set view inflator dot inflate r dot layout dot dialog layout comma null. That's it. Inside inflate function we have to pass our layout file that we have designed. Now finally let me run the app again, but make sure to put semicolon at the end. Let me run the app so I can show you the output. So guys, here you can see that our app have been run successfully, and when I will click on this button, you will see a beautiful loading alert dialog inside your Android app. So I hope you must enjoy this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. And finally, thanks for watching.